Hello and good morning everyone. My name's Janae. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Janae. Today's video, it's not going to be a diamond painting, but it is diamond painting related and I'm really excited to share this with you. But before we get into the video, a big howdy and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And to all of my subscribers, you guys are the best. And I'm very blessed to have each and every one of you. So let's jump into the video. So I have 3 different categories of crystal drills to show you. The first category is called coated AB crystal. The second category is going to be AB crystal. And the third category is the regular crystal facets. So we're going to go over the coated AB drills first and then the ABs. Now I may have to break this up in 2 parts because there's quite a few drills here to show you and I don't want to make this video super long. So yeah, there's lots and I'm so excited. Anyway, so let's jump into this, and the first color that I'm going to be showing you is called white opal. Now when I first saw the picture of this particular crystal, my first thought was they look like those half pearls that we get in our special drill kits. But they aren't, and they are fantastic. These are a gorgeous, gorgeous drill. So here they are, and look at the sparkle in those drills and the colors. These are just fantastic. They are beautiful. Okay, so again, this is the white opal. I do have 2 bags of these available if you're interested. Each bag will have approximately 1,430 drills, and I have personally gone through each bag to make sure there is no garbage. Now I will have this one listed in my Etsy store. If you're interested, my Etsy link will be down below in the description along with my email address. And I probably have already mentioned that, but it doesn't hurt to bring it up again. I can't remember, to be honest with you, if I brought it up. So anyway, I'm getting old, guys. I know I say that all the time too. It's an excuse, I know. Anyway, the next drill is called Morning, and this is a really beautiful drill. The primary color is a gold, but as you can see, it shines and shimmers in almost a mint green to a green color, and sometimes blue. It's a beautiful drill. And there, when you look at it from there, it looks like a rose. So it's a beautiful, beautiful drill, and lots of shine and shimmer. Again, this is called Morning, and I have 2 bags available. Again, the quantity is approximately 1,430 drills. So I'm going to put these ones back. There we go. Okay, so the next drill I'm going to show you is called Purple Ghost. Now, the name's interesting, I have to say, but this drill is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. If you love purples, this is a beautiful drill. And it's a very deep purple. So let's give it a shake. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And as I said, it's a very deep purple, but lots and lots of shine and shimmer. So again, everyone, this is called Purple Ghost. And I have 2 of these available if you're interested. So the next drill I'm going to show you is called Sun Golden. And this is a beautiful gold AB crystal. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful drill. So again, everyone, this is called Sun Golden. Beautiful. Now I do have 4 bags available in this color. And yeah, these are just beautiful drills. All right. So the next drill I'm going to show you, this is a special one. I love this drill. In fact, I wish I had more because this is a beautiful drill. This is called Black Diamond AB. Now, when I first heard the name, I'm thinking, is that a 310? You could use these as 310s, but it wouldn't be 100% black. So I'm just letting you know. But this is a gorgeous drill. Oh my God, it is just beautiful. So here we are. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now again, this is called Black Diamond AB. Lots and lots of shimmer and shine. All right. So this one, I have 2 bags available. And again, if you're interested, all of that information is down below in the description. Get them in there. All right, so the next one I'm going to show you is called Rainbow Rose Golden. Now, if that doesn't tell you something, one, it's a mouthful, but 2, it has amazing, amazing color to it. So let me pour these out. Oh, wow, these are beautiful. Okay, and here they are. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of rose color in that, but it also has a bit of green and a bit of gold in that as well. Beautiful, beautiful drill. So again, everyone, this is called Rainbow Rose Golden, and it's just gorgeous. Look at that. All right. Now I do have 4 bags of these available. Put them in their little bag. Now, I just want to warn you, just in case, my dogs may bark. I do apologize. It all depends on when my hubby comes home from grocery shopping. So if he opens the door, they're going to go ballistic, and I do apologize for their barking. All right. Another color we're going to show you is called Green Volcano. Now these volcano drills, they're really interesting because when you look at them, they have 2 primary colors. Green, which is the main primary color, and then they also have a violet. So it all depends on how the light shines on them and how you're looking at them. Or the angle, I should say, the angle that you're looking at them. This is a beautiful, beautiful drill. Let's give it a shake. Let me give it a tap here and get them lined up. And here we are. So look at that green. But depending on the way the light shines on them, you can see that violet, that real rich, dark violet in them. Beautiful, beautiful drill. Now again, this is called Green Volcano. And I have 4 bags of this color available. The next one I'm going to show you is called Blue Volcano. And just like the green, it will have the main primary color, and then the secondary color is a really rich violet. This is a beautiful drill too. Let's give it a shake. Get them to line up a little bit. There we go. And there it is. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So again, you see the blue and the real rich violet colors in there. Lots of shine and shimmer. Okay, so again, that is called Blue Volcano. Now, the Blue Volcano, I do have 4 bags available of those. The next one I'm going to show you is called Red Volcano. And just like the blue and the green, they'll have the primary color, which is kind of a reddish orange, and their secondary a yellow or gold. These are, I love these volcanoes. They are so pretty. Okay, get them to line up a little bit. And here we go. So there they are. And lots of shine and shimmer. Look at that. Beautiful color. So you see the reddish orange and the yellow. So everyone, again, this is the Red Volcano. Okay, so the next color is called VM. I believe VM stands for Volcano Mix. And I have 2 bags of these available. From what I have seen, it's a mixture between the Red Volcano and the Green Volcano. There seems to have a few of the blue volcanoes in there, but very little on the blue. But lots of the green and reds. And there you go. So again, this one is called VM, and I believe it stands for Volcano Mix. Beautiful, beautiful drills. Okay, so that is it on the volcanoes over here. And the mixed volcano, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but just in case I didn't, I have 2 bags available in that color. So the next one I'm going to show you is called Metallic Blue. These are beautiful. Now, if you're into the real rich dark blues, this is the color for you. It's just gorgeous. It's a very deep blue. Okay, just kind of tap that a little bit, and there they are. Really beautiful, rich, dark blue color. All right, so that again is called Metallic Blue. I have 2 bags available if you're interested. So the next color I'm going to show you is called Jet AB. I'm so excited to share these ones. These are my favorite. I love them. And if you do a lot of diamond painting with 310s, these would be perfect. These are a lot like the Black Diamond ABs, but they have a bit more of the blue and violet colors in them, and they are beautiful. All right, ready guys? Ready? Ready? Here we go. Look at these. These are just fabulous and amazing colors. Lots of sparkle. So again, everyone, this is called Jets, and they are just gorgeous drills. So if you're interested in the Jets, I have 4 bags available, and I have to tell you guys, oh my God, they are just amazing. They are so pretty. I'm just going to show you in the bag. So you'll see the silverbacks on that, but those are just amazing. Love these colors. Okay, everyone, so that was all of the coated AB crystals. So what I'm going to do is I am going to break this up actually in 3 parts because there's so much to show you, and I want to be able to show you the beauty of these drills and not have to rush through them. So by saying that, I do think that it would probably be best if I broke this up in 3 parts versus trying to cram them all together. So this video covers just the AB coated crystal drills. Again, if you're interested in any of these drills, my email address is down below in the description. You can reach out to me through email, or you can also send me a message through Etsy, and my Etsy store link will be down below in the description as well. I will also have listed in the description what I have shown you and what I have available in each color. So by saying that, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell's going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Janae. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.